Alright everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to quickly show you how to enable or disable HDR on your Apple TV. It's super simple. First things first, make sure you're on the main home screen of your Apple TV, where you see all your apps. Then, scroll over and select the Settings application. Once you're in Settings, scroll down to Video and Audio, and click into that. Now just under the Format option, you might see an option for HDR or Dolby Vision. It depends on your TV. You can toggle it on and off right there. But if you don't see that HDR/Dolby Vision toggle, you need to select an HDR format first. Click on the Format option at the very top of the Video and Audio settings. If your TV supports HDR, you'll see HDR options available. Select one. You might see a screen that says, Try HDR. Go ahead and click Try HDR. Your screen might go black for a couple of seconds. Don't worry, that's normal. When it comes back on, it should say your TV has been switched to HDR. Click OK, then click OK again. Now you've selected an HDR format. Now, go back to the main Video and Audio settings screen. You should now see the HDR option where you can toggle it on and off. Again, if your display supports Dolby Vision instead, you might see that option instead of HDR. Mine here supports HDR 10+. Once you've enabled or disabled your HDR option, just head back to the home page of your Apple TV, and you can start using it as you normally would. And that's it. Pretty straightforward, right? This is based on my personal experience, and the exact options might vary slightly depending on your setup. You can find helpful links and more info in the description below. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to RoamTips.com for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.